Here we've got our 1975 MG Midget 1500. It's just arrived with us. This car is a total restoration and it was started in 1998, and sensibly at the time the then owner decided, rather than sort of welding and messing about with sorting bits and pieces out, they took the option for a brand new BL Heritage shell, which is always a great start, great place to start. You know, everything's new, there's no work apart from reassembly. So looking around this car, the paintwork is superb to really high standard. I'm struggling to fault anything apart from, I'll just show you here, there's a tiny dint. It's about a millimetre, just about a millimetre there. It's virtually indetectable, which should come out with the Dent Master anyway. But otherwise there's absolutely no signs of rust at all anywhere on the car, right the way around. All the panels are straight, panel depths are good, and all the exterior, the bright work's very good, the rubbers are good, light lenses are superb. Interestingly, it's got matching Michelin tyres all round. It's always a good sign when people spend money on the rubber. If we're being critical, the wheel trims probably could just do with a bit of polishing up. Maybe they might come back or they might not come back. But the Ross-style wheels in good condition, tyres look virtually as new. So let's have a little look under the bonnet. Yeah, that's very nice indeed. Everything looks business-like, chip shape. We know this car's got an unleaded cylinder head, which is good news, and it's also got electronic ignition, and there's a little battery isolator just there, which is always handy if you're just popping it into storage, just stop the drain off the battery. But beautifully executed restoration there. Okay, we'll have a little look around there. Let's have a look inside. Well, that's pretty much as it was intended. They're the correct specification seats for the year. It's got an addition of a wind deflector, which is always useful for a bit of cruising. The hood's undamaged. It's been fully recarpeted. All the door cards, carpets, everything else. There's no cracks on the dashboard. It's currently showing 520 miles. Obviously that's not a genuine mileage, but it's subject to the full restoration. Okay. So as you can see, lovely condition all round. Let's have a little look in the boot. Oh, that's nice, even the boot light works, which is unusual. Spare wheel in there, correct Ross-style spare wheel, Michelin tyre, wheel tools, again, very nicely presented. Let's start it up. Very nice indeed. Get it off choke. That sounds absolutely sweet, isn't it? And I've just noticed here there's a little additional switch there for additional electric fan, which is always handy in the summer months. Yeah, what a very nice car, totally sorted, ready to go. It's guided at £5,000 to £7,000, and bearing in mind the restoration costs were in excess of £13,000, it represents extremely good value.